What's up, y'all? What's up? Back at it again with another video, though. This one I want to talk about what you guys prefer out of a truck wash: a hand wash or a spray wash. So leave y'all comments down below and show y'all little clips. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, truck is all nice and clean. And for me, what I prefer, it all depends how dirty my truck is, and that'll make me decide on what kind of wash I'll get. Like right now, I went to Blue Beacon, got the power wash, because they got the chemicals to clean it better than, you know, some hand wash places. So yeah. But now if it's like, say if I got a truck wash, then it's just raining and stuff, I get a hand wash. But it all depends where you're at around the state too, because everybody's different.